Oh guys, back again with this man installing the decat on the car. Hopefully get a bit more pops and bangs. So we're going to get in the air first and then go from there. Right guys, so what we're doing, under the car now, so just got to take off these 4 bolts and this, and that hanger here. Just be persistent with this because it takes a while to come off, as you can see. And then the O2 sensor up here, I believe. So I'm going to take that off and I'll let you know. Okay boys, the cat's off. Just got to try and get the O2 sensor off. So Calvin's just grabbed me a spanner now. Alright, so we're having a bit of trouble with the O2 sensor, boys. Can't unclip it, can't unbolt it. So Calvin's giving it a little go under there. See if we can get it off. Alright boys, so we finally got the sensor. Now we're just having trouble getting this fucking thing off. So we might have to go to Quick Fit quickly and get them to oxy it off. So, but other than that, that can go on next. Oh. So I finally got it off, boys. One. So I'll just put this bit in there, yeah? Yeah. Anyway? Whatever way it fits, doesn't it? No, it's got a bit of right angle, so that's where it goes into the cap. I'll thread it apart and then... It works. Sometimes you have to put them like this. Does it? Tighten up. Just put. Do you want to mock it up and see which way we want to face that? Like, if it needs to be facing upwards, downwards. Yeah. Right, boys. So, let me get under. So it's all off now. You can see that there. Calvin's just currently tightening up the O2 sensor and all that to it, and then I'll plug it back in. I'll show you after. Oh. All done, all done. Look at that big old pipe. O2 sensors in, all done up. So I'll turn the car on and show you what it looks like. Sounds like even. All done. Stinks of fuel though. I'll give her a couple of revs, I'll put the camera down and give you a comparison of both side by side and so on. But all done, man. Quite happy. I'll try and insert some clips of like going down the motorway or something with the car as well. Alright, hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.